Hey guys, welcome to another video on homeowner repair. My name is Tony. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a Ford Key FOB. This Key FOB fits like a 99 to 15 Ford truck. It was found on trucks like Expeditions had them, the F-150s had them, the Explorers had them. I happen to have a 2012 Expedition, and that's what this one goes to. So I'll show you how to open it up and change the battery inside of it. But before I roll into this, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll reply back to you. And if you could subscribe to the channel, that'd be awesome. Now, some videos have you open the fob case up with the utility knife. No. Some guys might have you open up the key fob with the screwdriver. Well, not really. So what you really need to complete the project and open the key fob case up is you can use a penny, and you need a cold beer and an AC/DC shirt. Let's roll into this. Those are all the tools you should need. It's pretty simple. So if your key fob looks like this, there's a notch right in here, and the coin will fit perfectly in there. So you can just twist it and kind of open it up. It's like that. There's a little membrane in there, so you want to be careful of that. So if you go, it should look like this. Let's open it up this way. So it should go back into place like this if you happen to drop it on the ground. So I'll show you how to do it. Here's what the battery looks like. The battery number is a CR2032. And you can take it out just like that. It comes out easily. And if you have to replace it, the plus side goes up. And then put your little membrane on it. The problem is if you use the utility knife to open this thing up, it can score that and ruin it. So you don't want to do that. It kind of helps you protect it in there. Then put your little cover on, and you're good to go. So I hope this helped you guys out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get all the latest and greatest uploads. There's a lot of great stuff on the channel. And if you have any comments, leave a comment. I'll reply back to you. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.